Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the country in the Jetcost application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the country selection section, click on the now it is set for United States, but whatever country you set, so just click on that. And here, if you scroll down, you will see all the available countries that you can set within this application. So just click on the one that you want to use, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.